Nanayam Tamil movie summary in English. Ravi is an electronics engineer who aspires to become a businessman. He meets Viswanath, the CEO of Trust Bank, in a golf course when he fights to grab a bag belonging to Viswanath from a stranger. Ravi saves Viswanath and chases the stranger. He is unable to catch the man but gets a glimpse of his face. Viswanath thanks Ravi, offers him a job in his bank, and assures to provide a loan of 2 crores rupees to start his own business. The bank promotes its new branch as the world's safest bank with a security locker designed by Ravi. Ravi works in Trust Bank for 5 years, but his loan approval gets rejected so many times despite Viswanath's attempts to get it approved. Ravi meets a divorced news reporter Nandini in a golf club. They become friends, and slowly, love blossoms between them. However, Ravi, once during his date with Nandini, is attacked by Nandini's ex-husband Raghu. Ravi counterattacks Raghu and goes home. At home, Ravi meets Farid, who says that Ravi killed Raghu and there are evidences to prove. Farid also kidnaps Nandini. Ravi is confident that he did not kill Raghu, but he has to obey the words of helping rob the bank to save himself and Nandini. Farid says that he is an ex-employee of Trust Bank and was fired by Viswanath for fund mismanagement. As a result, he wants to take revenge on Viswanath by robbing Trust Bank, which will negatively impact its trustworthiness, and also wants Ravi to help him as he is the one behind the safety system design. Ravi and Farid plan to rob the bank, which has infrared lasers and a 4-level lock system vault. Meanwhile, Ravi records the conversations going on between them and hands a recording to his assistant Devki to save himself. Ravi demands 2 crore rupees, the photographic evidences of the murder from the robbers before the theft. Farid initially gives it but takes it back and gives Ravi another bag similar to it. Ravi discloses all the security systems to enter the vault, which Farid and his men enter as per plan. However, Ravi did not inform them about the secret exit in the vault, and he makes a plan to get Farid and his men trapped. Ravi suddenly escapes through the secret exit, locks others inside the vault, and rushes to meet Viswanath, where he also sees Nandini with him. Ravi gets shocked seeing Nandini along with Viswanath and gets to know the truth. The robbery is actually a plan of Viswanath, who did it in order to grab the bag, which has evidences of his illegal affair with Nandini, who is actually named Ishwari. The stranger took pictures of Viswanath and Ishwari and blackmails Viswanath for money. The stranger also safely placed the evidence in Trust Bank's locker. To steal the evidence, Viswanath planned a robbery with Farid, Ishwari's brother. The man who Ravi was told to be killed by him was actually a new employee in Farid's gang. Viswanath apologizes to Ravi for the trouble he created and commits suicide. Farid and Ishwari are arrested, and all of Farid's gang members die inside the vault due to lack of oxygen. Ravi destroys all the evidence of the illegal affair of Viswanath and finds 2 crore rupees in the back side of his car, which actually was demanded by him from Farid, and which he uses to start his new business.